David Joseph's cats. Right there is Rambo, skinny mistress, little white kitty. And underneath is his brother, the Rock. I call him the Rock because that's what he looks like. He's Rocky Balboa, and then there's the Rambo there, his skinny mistress, little white kitty. The famous white Angora brothers. And then on the top there is my oldest cat, Fritzi, the fierce kitty, fierce beast. Aren't you, Fritzer? Fritz, 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 Fritz. Psh, 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 psh. Fritz, Fritz. Fritz, Fritz, Fritz. You gonna purr, huh? You gonna purr, kitty? Of course, they're all quiet, calm now, but have a little remote control card and they go crazy after it. Especially the Rambo there with this he'll hide underneath there and go after it. So will the Rock, and then the Fritz would jump off his chair there like a mountain lion. They're just waiting for the car. Oh, there they go. Here goes one of them. Here goes the Rock. Yes, it's an unusual way to get the cats to come out and play and exercise, but they love chasing the car. Where'd it go, Rock? My kitties. Not your average day of the cats, but because there's all three of them, they come out and they love playing with the car and they go out chasing after it during the day. It's better than when they're trying to keep me awake all morning. Where'd it go? Where'd it go, guys? Come on. Now the Rambo's going after it. Anyways, another day with Joseph's cats. Say goodbye, Fritzy. My fierce kitty. Fierce beast. The eyes of the beast. Green eyes. They glow like the flames of hell. The beast he stalks. Fritz, Fritz. And last but not least, the White and Gore brothers, Rocky and Rambo. Alright, guys.